Hello dear student, I am Dr. Deepika Sipani, Assistant Professor in St. Wilfrid's PG College. So let's continue the series of important questions for examination 23-24. Today I am going to discuss important question of cost and management accounting. So your syllabus is divided into 5 units. 2 questions will be asked from each unit. One is theoretical question and one is practical question. Theoretical question I have already shared with you all on the Scholar ERP app, and you can see some important practical chapters on the left side of your screen. So let's discuss one of the important question. In this question, sales and profit are given for the year 2005 and 6, and you are required to find out 4 different points. First, you are required to find out PV ratio. PV ratio means profit volume ratio. Profit is always based on the sales. In this question, sales and profit are given for 2 different periods. So PV ratio will be change in profit divided by change in sales multiplied by 100. You can see there is a loss of 16,000 rupees in the year 2005, and in the year 2006 there is a profit of 19,000 rupees. So changes in profit is 35,000 rupees. For the year 2005, sales is given for 2,52,000 rupees and 3,57,000 rupees sale for the year 2006. So we can see the changes in sales is 1,05,000 rupees. Solve 35,000 divided by 1,05,000 multiplied by 100. So PV ratio will be 33.33. Next point, you are required to find out break-even point. Break-even point means no profit, no loss situation. Break-even point is calculated fixed cost divided by PV ratio. But in this question, fixed cost is not given. So first of all, you are required to find out fixed cost. Fixed cost will be calculated by sales into PV ratio multiplied by profit. In this question, sales and profit are given for 2 different years. So you can utilize any year's data for finding break-even point. You are required to find out break-even point. Break-even point means no profit, no loss situation. Break-even point is calculated by using the formula fixed cost divided by PV ratio. In this question, fixed cost is not given in the question. So first of all, you are required to find out fixed cost. Fixed cost will be calculated by sales into PV ratio minus profit. Here sales and profit are given for 2 different years. So you can use data of 2005 or 2006 because fixed cost हमेशा same रहेगी. Here we are using 2005 data. So sales is given 2,52,000 rupees. PV ratio we have already calculated 33.33%, and there is a loss of 16,000 rupees in the year 2005. When we solve this, you can find out fixed cost of 1 lakh rupees. Now fixed cost is 1 lakh rupees. PV ratio already आप कैलकुलेट कर चुके हो 13.33%. So break even point is 3 lakh rupees. Point sales are given for 2,70,000 rupees, and you are required to find out profit. Profit will be calculated by using the formula sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Sales is given for 2,70,000 rupees. Profit PV ratio already आप point number 1 में calculate कर चुके हो 33.33%, and fixed cost हमेशा same रहती है जो आपने point number 2 में calculate किया था 1 lakh rupees के लिए. When you solve this, so there is a loss of 10,000 rupees. Now the last point. Company wants to earn a profit of 25,000 rupees, and you are required to find out sales. Sales will be calculated by using the formula fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost 1 lakh rupees, desired profit is 25,000 rupees, और PV ratio already हम calculate कर चुके हैं 33.33% के लिए. So when you solve this, so that will be 3,75,000 rupees sale to earn a profit of 25,000 rupees. I hope ये question आपको समझ आया होगा. All the very best for your examination. Thank you.